In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice using PayPal and generate an invoice link in just a few minutes. If you're looking to streamline your billing process, stick around as we walk through this quick and easy guide. First, navigate to the PayPal website. Open your browser, type in PayPal's URL, and hit enter. Once on the homepage, look for the login button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it to go to the login page and enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Remember to keep your login credentials secure. After entering your information, click the login button to continue. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, the next step is to access the business tools. You should see an option labeled Business Tools in the main toolbar. Click on it to reach a page with a variety of tools for managing your business transactions. Look for the Show All link to expand the list of available features. In the expanded list, you'll find a section titled Request Payment. Under this, you'll see an option called Invoicing. Clicking on Invoicing will bring up the invoicing dashboard. If it's your first time here, click the Get Started button to move forward with creating your first invoice. On the new page, click the Create New Invoice button to start setting up your invoice. Fill in details such as the customer's email address and any other relevant information. You'll also need to provide specific details about the invoice content, including item descriptions, quantity, quantities, and prices for each item you are billing. Pay careful attention here to ensure accuracy. PayPal also offers customization options. You can upload your company logo, select a template that suits your business, or add a personal touch with a delivery message. After entering all necessary information, preview the invoice to verify that all details are correct and that it appears as intended. Once satisfied, click Send to dispatch the invoice directly to the customer's inbox. After sending, PayPal provides a direct link to the invoice, which can be shared through messaging apps or other communication platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PayPal invoice and sent it to your customer, with a link handy for easy sharing. This process not only helps ensure timely payments, but also presents your business as professional and organized. Happy invoicing!